unboxing my Rubik's Cube. Okay, here's the box. First, I'm going to take which is a little bit of this Amazon one. Put it. Okay. Here the first the dust and the mustard. I open it. And I found another box, which I had to open. Subscribe for part 2.